Well, hey guys, welcome to another video by Fitness Technology Services. Today's video is going to be on replacing this incline board. That's what I refer to. They may call it power board, but it's a center board that operates both the incline and sends power up to the console and operates the resistance motor also. Alright, so my last video that I did, I showed you how to remove the arm, so I'm just going to brief through this because to get to the inside of it you have to remove this silver disc. So the center of that is pretty easy to do. It just pops out. Be careful on yours though. Some of them twist a little bit before these little tabs will line up and just pop out. But the majority of them, just kind of take your flathead and pinch it back there a little bit. Alright? So then we also have to remove this flywheel right here. I've got a video on that, crossbar, I'm sorry. They don't call it flywheel on this one. I got a video on that, so I'm just going to kind of gloss over that. You have to loosen all this. You'll see in my other video removing the crossbar silver disc too. It was pretty hard to do. Wasn't impossible, I'm just old and not as strong as I used to be. Alright, so we're going to remove those two pieces right there. So you can see, damn it, start over. Alright, so we got our disc out the way. Next thing we need to do is, hopefully get a good view of this, is we need to remove this plastic cover right here. And again, these kind of press in. Get my glasses back on for that. So it's good to have your flathead for this. This one's got a little lip to it, so it'll be pretty easy. I'm thinking. So we're going to lift that up. Well, we think we're going to lift that up. There we go. Come on. There we go. So you don't want to break these little tabs. If one or two break, it's not the end of the world, but make sure I got that within view. And then this kind of fits in that little slot right there. Alright, so then that means, let me get out your way again, that this is going to slide off this way and probably pop up again. See how it's missing a little groove right there? So let's just see if we can pull it. Come on, baby. Hold. Alright. That's usually a little more difficult than that, but I will take it. Next thing we need to do is remove these screws. That one's missing, so we need to remove this one. And whatever ones are in, there's 2 in the bottom and 3 along the side. I'm going to go back over to the other side again. Block your way for a second. Alright. So those are usually Phillips. Alright, I'm going to get in your way for 1 second. Alright, so that's loose. These are obviously already loose. So I just need to remove this one and I need to remove that one. Alright, so here we go. Okay, one thing I gotta say that's pretty nice about this Nordictrack is once you have the side disc off, and you can remove the side disc without removing the whole shell. Most of the times on the machines that I work on, you have to remove the whole shell, and the disc has a lip. See how this has got a lip here? Well, the lip is on the inside, so you can't remove the disc. So I kind of like that. I need a little more space there, I think. Alright, so that should be it. And it is. So now we're going to remove